Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn how to do lunges, one of the most effective full body exercise routine. So for this, we will tighten up our core, squeezing the glutes and keep our shoulders down, chest open. We will move one leg forward and then we will bend our knees to go down. Find your balance before going down. So you have to be careful that your knees doesn't go past your toes and it is perpendicular to the ground. You have to keep your hands in front of you or on your waist to find your balance. The body should be centrally aligned. Move back. Now we will repeat it from the other leg. So keep your leg in front of you, find the balance, go down from the center of your body. Your knees should not go past your toes, so be careful about it. Go up and then come down centrally. You'll come back and this completes one round of the lunge. If you watch carefully when you go in front and come back, you have to be careful that you are not leaning back or towards the front. If you're keeping the hand in front of you, you should not be hunching. You should keep your chest open and shoulders down. The body should be centrally aligned all the time. Next, I'll show you one variation if you're not able to move back and forth. So we'll go forward with one hand and then just pulse. So you go up and you come down. Always watch out for your nose. We can also use a prop if you're doing it for the first time. So you can use something which is towards the waist height. With the support of this chair, I'm going towards the front and then coming back. So you can use any of the support that you need. You could either use a wall, a sofa. So do this if you are a beginner. You can also do the pulse with these kind of props. So try this and do it in the front of a mirror for best results. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and show your love. Bye-bye.